Hello everyone, this is Darvesh Khan, Subject Specialist English. Today I am here with you for lecture number 27. What lecture number 27 is about? Lecture number 27 is about pedagogical grammar. What is pedagogical grammar? Pedagogical grammar is quite confirmed to us that the word pedagogical is taken from the word pedagogy, which means teaching. This grammar is also called teaching grammar, and this grammar is also called ped grammar because this is also it is another name of pedagogical grammar. Pedagogical grammar basically means that grammar which we commonly use as syllabus for teaching, that grammar which we teach as a course to students is called pedagogical grammar. Now, how I should understand my students? I can understand my students in this way, that if I design one pattern, that is noun, and suppose for noun I have many things, but I express just kinds. That one is proper, one is common, one is abstract, one is concrete, one is material, and there is proper, common, abstract, concrete, and material, etc. So we have these different kinds in just one noun. Now I have designed this course for my students, and my students are learning second language. So they are learning second language. What is the second language for me? This second language is actually called target language. And what is my target language? My target language is actually English. So if I design a course for my students and then I teach that course to my students, in which I point out some of the main topics. So teaching these topics in a proper syllabus, in a proper pattern of grammar is called pedagogical grammar. Now, it is different from class to class. It is different from university to university. It is different from college to college, the way it is designed. When we teach in first year, when we teach about English in first year, we do not teach many things, but there is only and only one main topic, that is active voice and passive voice. Now, teaching active voice and passive voice, we try our best to teach. In the graph of it, we teach noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection as parts of speech to them. Then we try our best to teach them tenses. After that, we teach active voice and passive voice. Then the students are totally ready for the exam. This means that pedagogical grammar is that grammar which mainly a practitioner teaches or a practitioner practices for teaching is called pedagogical grammar. So we can simply summarize it that the use of structures mainly according to the syllabus designed by the practitioner or language instructor in pedagogy is called pedagogical grammar. I hope this is a very effective video for you. Watch my channel, like it, and please subscribe it. Thank you.